This is the video number 7 and I'm very excited today because in this video I am share with you how to develop a mindset of a winner. Do you know, my friends, mindset play a very important role in your success. If you want to achieve something in your life, if your mindset is not, if your mindset is not good, if your mindset is not, not like a winner, you never win any situation, you never succeed in your life. See that all the successful people have a great mindset. They have mindset to, to succeed in his life. That's why they are successful in his life. If you want to become successful in your life, you have to develop your mindset like winner. So in this video I'm share with you some points which help you to, to achieve your, which help you to, to increase your mindset. And in this video I am share with you some points which make your mindset like winner, because I have, I have applied this formula and this, that, that's changed my life, right? So mindset is very important. So if I want to share with you, the first point is that how to develop mindset like winner. Start reading books. Why start reading books? Because if you read books, right, if you read this book, you live the life of the people. You live the life of one people. If you read if you read two books, you live the life of two peoples, and you learn from his mistakes. You learn from him success, what he becomes successful. You learn from everything, from the book, right? That's why book is very important part of your life. And you know someone there is a famous quotation is that, if you want to, there is a famous quotation is that, show me your friend, I tell your income. It means that, if you're it depend on you how you, spend your time with which people, which type of people you are spending your time, and you will become like that. If you spend with the poor, you become poor. If you spend with the middle class person, you become the, the middle class in future. And if you spend time with successful people, then you become successful, right? Because, your surrounding is very important if you want to achieve something, right? You know that, all the successful people, his children, they also, become, most of the time they become successful in his life. Exception is always there, because they have, they have they have good environment, they have environment of successful people. That's why they also become success in his life. So I want to add one more thing is that, but now the question is come that, if we are not rich, if I am middle class, belong from family, to how I make friend rich, how I make friend of successful people. Because you know that successful people never want to spend time with you, because you are already poor, you are middle class family, right? So if they spend time with you, he become, like you. So successful people always spend time with successful people. So now the come is that, what is the, the way to, spend time with successful people? The best way is that to, read books. Because if you read, the books of successful people, you talk with him, you know his life, how he is spending his life, how he becomes successful. You learn lots of things from the book which is written, because the book is, most of the book is written from the successful people. You also start reading biography, because biography is very important to, develop your mindset. Because if you read the successful person biography, you know the, how how he struggled in his life, and he faced lots of struggle in his life, but finally he succeeded in his life, right? So reading, biography is very important. And one more things you can do. You can, you can you can now in this 2020 age, in this century, 21st century, information are easily available. So lots of, the rich people, they have course, and they teach you how to become rich. If you willing to pay something, they will teach you. So start taking coaching from him, because this is very powerful, right? If you take coaching from the successful people, if you want to, what you become in your life, doesn't matter. If you want, doesn't matter, because lots of people have different goal. It is not necessary that every people, want to become rich, right? some people have another goal, some people have another goal. So what is your goal? You find, who is the top in your industry, right? And start observing his life. If he, if he most of the successful people start teaching, they have now, they have courses, they teach you how to become rich, how to become successful in his life, depend on your career. So start taking education. There are two type. I want to explain the education. There are two type of education. One is formal education, and one is, that financial type. That was different type of education. It means that where you can learn about, the practical things, like, because in formal school there are, we study and go class 10 12 graduation. That is a formal school where you can learn nothing. You can learn because that thing's not used in, the real life. So you start studying what the courses which is available to how to become successful in his life. There are lots of courses are there, like personal development, communication skill, public speaking. If you improve this type of skill, this will very helpful for you, and this will improve your mindset like winner, right? If you speak, if your communication skill is very good, you know it will help you to succeed in life, right? So that is that is a very important part of your life. So a start, I recommend you to start to read more and more books. I give you my example that I have till now, in last 3 years, I have read more than hundreds of books on, the personal development, business, motivation. I have read all the books, right? So that book helped me to, make my mindset like success, right? Before that I give up in anything. I always demotivated. I feel always demotivated every time. But after reading books, that makes my mindset, that make my mindset like winner. And now I am, whenever I do anything, whenever I start anything, I try to finish it, and then I, give up. It means that I never give up until until I not success. I never give up in that thing. So that make my mindset great, because I read lots of books. I read, the biography of successful people. So that is a very important part of your life. And you can also start on watching, watch on YouTube. There are lots of successful people, like, the Brian Tracy, Tony Robbins, Grant Cardone, Vivek Bindra. Lots of successful people are they teaching on YouTube, which is free of course. So you go and watch all the video. That will make your mindset like winner. Because, before 10 year ago, it is a very difficult to, to get it is very difficult to get a knowledge, get knowledge of successful from successful people. But now this is available free of course on YouTube, right? Because YouTube makes our life very easier. But problem is that lots of people wasting their time on YouTube by watching, which is useless which is by watching useless video, which is never help you in your succeed, which will never help you to grow in your life. So if you wasting your time on social media, please stop this. Because that will never, because this is never help you to grow in your life. Because on YouTube there are lots of things which you can learn from, YouTube, and apply in your life and become successful. Because now in this age, information is easily available. This is information age, and you can know anything what you want, right? So use the technology, for your growth, not for your destruction, not for your not to destroy your life. Because lots of youngster are, destroying his life by, by wasting their time on social media. That will kill your time, right? After, when after 10 or 15 years, when you become 30-year age or 35 year, that time you realize that you have wasted your whole time on social media. So you can use your social media to grow yourself. Because on social media, with the help of internet, with the help of social media, now you can start making your career in this field. Because there are lots of opportunity in the social media or internet world, right? So you can apply these things and grow yourself. So I think this is enough for today. We have talked about how to build your mindset. And because I know that I have covered this journey. I'm, I'm working on my mindset from last 3 years, and I'm still working on that. Right. So mindset is very important. So I hope you learned something from this video. We will see you in another video. So till now, thank you so much for watching this video. We will talk. I will see you in another video.